Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 with PostgreSQL as database on AlmaLinux OS 9 version. The only prerequisite is we must have the PostgreSQL installed. If you haven't installed PostgreSQL on AlmaLinux, search for my YouTube channel how to install and configure PostgreSQL on AlmaLinux versions. So first open any web browser, then go to Zabbix official website, that is zabbix.com. So this is the latest version at the time of making this video. Click on Get Zabbix, then click on Zabbix Packages. Scroll down. Once we select it, see it populated the options that we have to choose. See the latest release is 7.2 and OS version. Then we have to select the OS distribution. See we have the AlmaLinux, then select the OS version. See here we have the AlmaLinux 8 or 9. So I am going to install on 9, but the process is same for 8 also. Then select the Zabbix component. I am going with server, frontend and agent. Then see here we have the database options, MySQL or PostgreSQL. I am going with PostgreSQL. But if you want install Zabbix 7.2 using MySQL as database, search for my YouTube channel. So web server I am going with Apache. So also verify whether this Apache is installed or not. Open terminal, sudo systemctl status httpd, hit enter, wrote the password of sudo user, hit enter. See it is not installed, so install it. There is no service, so install it. Sudo dnf install httpd, hit enter. See type and hit enter. See it is going to install this version, so type and hit enter. Again hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control N. Now verify the status. See it is not started, so start it. Sudo systemctl start httpd hit enter. Now verify the status again. See it is started. Okay, Q to quit. Control A. Now we have to install PHP and its extensions. Install these extensions. See we have already installed httpd, so remove it, hit enter, type and hit enter. I will keep all these commands in the video description. Now start this PHP FVM. Check this, also enable it, check the status. See it is started. Okay, control it. Now see one more time, select the Zabbix server version, OS distribution, OS version, Zabbix component and database as PostgreSQL, web server as Apache. Then scroll down. See these are the steps that we have to install. See install and configure Zabbix for your platform. So these are the steps that we need to follow. So first step is install Zabbix repository. Disable Zabbix packages provided by EPL. Okay, if you have installed, then edit. So I don't have anything. If you have anything, you have to add this. You have to create this repo file and you have to add. Okay, I don't have anything. So next, come to here, installing Zabbix repository. So give the sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the, now clean dnf, clean all. Then install Zabbix server, frontend and agent. So copy this command up to the end. Copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter, type and hit enter. Type and hit enter. See it is installing Zabbix server 7.2.7. See we have successfully installed. Now see this step is completed. Now we have to create the initial database. As I told you, you haven't installed PostgreSQL, then you have to install. Then only we have to run this command. So copy this one. It is going to create this Zabbix user. So control A, paste it, hit enter. See we have to set the password for this Zabbix user. So I am giving password as admin at 123. Remember this password. Confirm the same. Provide same password, admin at 123. This password is required for later use. Hit enter. It is done. Now create the database. So copy only from the sudo in the above statement also. Otherwise it won't execute. Paste it. Hit enter. It is creating the database name as Zabbix. Okay, we can also verify. connect to PostgreSQL sudo su hyphen Postgres PSQL /l. See, we have the database Zabbix and this is the owner. Okay. Also verify users. See, we have created user Zabbix. So exit from the PostgreSQL server, exit from this user, Control A. So this step is completed. Now we have to import the initial schema and data. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. See, it is creating objects and it will insert data. See, it is inserting data. Okay, it is done. Now configure the database for Zabbix server. So go to this file and we have to give the password for this DB parameter. Let me show you. Copy this file, the path, sudo, use the text editor, use the editor whichever you are familiar. Then give the space bar, paste it, hit enter. Go to the bottom of the file where you have that DB password. See, here we have the DB password. Remove the hash, then shift A, then provide the password. Admin at 123. In your case, whatever the password that you have provided for the Zabbix user. Then colon, double Q, exclamation. We have successfully edited. Now start the Zabbix server and its agent processes. These two we have already started. Okay, anyway, restart them. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. I forgot to give sudo, so cancel it. Again. So at the start give the sudo, hit enter, Control A. Now enable these services if these are not enabled. Okay, copy it, then give sudo, paste it, hit enter, all done. Now open Zabbix web UI. So copy this URL, new tab, paste it. Instead of host, we have to give host of this one. See, it is vbox, or you can give the local host. Anything is fine. So vbox is host name in my case. Hit enter. See, we got the welcome screen. Now select the default language from this list and click on next step. See, check for prerequisites, all are green and OK. So click on next step. Now select the database. So select PostgreSQL database is installed on this PC. So localhost is fine. Port number 5432 for the PostgreSQL server. Database name Zabbix. Database schema. Go to the terminal. Connect to PostgreSQL sudo su hyphen Postgres PSQL. Now connect to Zabbix database /c Zabbix. Now verify the list of the schemas. See, here we have only one schema, that is public. Give that here, public. Then username Zabbix. Then provide the password of this Zabbix user that we have set. So password in my case is admin at 123. Then click on next step. Not now. Now we have to provide the Zabbix server name. So Zabbix is installed on this one. So give vbox or localhost. Then select the default time zone and theme. Okay, I am going with the defaults time theme also. Then click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, click on next step. Or if you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on back. I am okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. See, this is the configuration file. Click on finish. Now we have to connect. Username is admin. Password is Zabbix. Here A must be caps and remaining same. If you give small a, it won't work. Password is Zabbix, but all are in small case. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, you got the Zabbix console. This is the global view. If you want to go to dashboards, click on here, monitoring, services and other options. Okay, and see here, this is the version. Suppose if you want to modify the password of the currently logged in user, that is admin, click on users, then again click on users, then click on this admin user, then click on change password. Then here we have to provide current password and new password. Okay, if you want to create users, again go to users, then click on this create user. Okay, so the last option that I am going to show you is exit from PostgreSQL, exit, Control A, verify the status of the Apache server, that is HTTPD. See, it is active and running. Okay, you to quit Control A. Now we will see what will happen if you stop this Apache CTL, stop HTTPD, hit enter, verify the status. See, it is inactive or dead. Okay, you to quit. Now reload this page, unable to connect. Okay, so Apache server must be up and running to function the Zabbix server. Okay, so start it again, sudo systemctl start HTTPD, hit enter. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 with PostgreSQL as the database on AlmaLinux 9 versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.